His name? You said Mr. James. No, it's fine. He's giving us information about Somalia and yeah.
We live with at the meeting with
Yeah.
the imams.
Yeah. I'm Imam too. I can talk to you. It's fine.
This is what he said.
No, if he's an Amsam, I can ask him. You are my cousin Somali. Why are you making difficult?
But
I'm not recording it. Is it okay, sir, to talk to you? I said a good word. I'm Imam. I run as the president for Somalia. Yes. I was competing with Sheikh Sharif. Hassan Mahmoud knows me well. I had a lot of debates with them. So we are brothers in humanity. We are same contents. They are from Africa. We helped them. Somalia helped them. Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania. I am graduated from Somali National University, major in agriculture, major in biology. We had their students in our college. So we are same family. But the problem is, we're not accepting Ethiopia and Kenya. You understand what I mean? They want to take our land. In the second, we would like you to train our army.
Yes.
You understand what I mean? That is the most important. If you are helping us honestly as an Africanist, we accept you. Otherwise, the people will think that AMISOM is not honest with the Somalian people. And they will carry the weapons against you. Look, the Uganda is dying over there. Look, the Burundi is dying. We feel sorry. We're not happy with that. So we have to be honest, and we have to tell Ethiopians and Kenyans, hey, we will not accept Africans to colonize Africans. Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Sure. There is no way.
Yes.
There is no way Ethiopia,
yes,
Kenya, even if they join forces,
yes,
can colonize Somalia. You know that.
Mr. They are divided.
You know.
I know that they are. We want to call. No. They already took. Kenya took part of Somalia.
No, you know.
NFD.
I said even if.
Yeah, not of Somalia. I think Somalia.
You know that even if they combine,
Ethiopia took part of Somalia.
No, even if they combine,
yes,
they cannot colonize you.
They are. Why don't you train the Somali army?
What if I tell you?
They don't accept.
Wait, no. What if
the Western countries don't accept?
What if I tell you that as we speak now?
Yeah.
If you put all the Somali forces,
yes,
soldiers that have been trained by anyone, the greatest is from Ethiopia. What if I tell you that? And I give you statistics.
The greatest?
Yes, if I give you statistics.
How Ethiopia is greatest?
No, you're not listening to what I'm saying.
What say again, please?
I said, you said what you want is for them to train your soldiers.
Somali army.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If I put statistics for you,
to
prove to you that Ethiopia, has provided more money, more training for Somali soldiers.
That is a big problem.
Wait, let me finish.
I don't trust Ethiopia.
You see, that's the problem.
Ethiopia killed my cousin. They killed my grandfather.
You see, that's
Wallahi, I assure Allah. They killed my parents.
I'm not doubting that.
All my people. How can I trust Tigray and Amhara?
I'm not doubting
who killed me?
There is history between Somalia and Ethiopia.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you think that your grandchildren should always have problem with Ethiopians their age in 100 years?
No. Why? Because why? Because 75% of Ethiopians.
No, you're not asking.
I
want to ask you.
You're not asking.
No, you're Somali. Us or أديك شكل سنة أو ترتيب نكان الله كذا.
But you're not asking.
Okay. ورني كانوا كذا الله Look. Thank you.
But you're not answering the question.
I will answer. He asked. No. I understood him. No. He is nice, but don't be mean.
Listen.
He is nice. He's talking to me nicely. Like the problem is the Somalis who are, but you are talking nicely. Let me answer that question. The answer of that question is, I'm not talking to, I'm talking to Amisom. You are Somalis. Wait a minute.
Amisom.
You see the problem of Somalia?
But Firi.
This is the problem of Somalia.
Yes, okay. No. I will answer this question and I will leave. You said, do you want as grandchildren to have problems? Okay, let me remind you one thing. No, we don't have problem with Ethiopian people. The civilians. Because they are our brothers. 75% of Ethiopians are Muslims. Are Muslims. 75. Don't listen to them. I know that. 75. Islam came first to Ethiopia, the time of Muhammad, before Medina, before the city of Muhammad Sallallahu. We don't have problem with Ethiopian people. We have problem for those who are helping the colonists and want to colonize our land. That's the only problem we have, like the Tigrayan and Amhara. But anybody that, for example, if they want to buy, if we want to exchange business,
they can't take your land.
Okay, take them out of our land.
They can't take your land, Imam.
Mr. James, nice to meet you. You work for AMISOM. Listen to Somali people, please.
I've listened to you very well.
But we don't accept Ethiopians. They have to go out of the country.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will fight them to the end. أنا أديك الصومالية محل سويسن هاي.
مركز الله عيد ماذا خلق الصومالية عاوي أمسون.
ضلك هنوقف بحماري توبي.
أمسون. يا كيني وحكيني مركز أديك تريريه بالبلية بدلن أتري الصومالي لين بلي هذا وربوخ عيد قرأ إيمانا يا.
أنا أديك ماشي كذا.
أنا أديك مدة سنين.
ومحنو مدومي كان بدومي. كان قاعد ما يسقف سنة. ولا لقى عليه واكو تشعله ولا الكيبات هاي مسلم بات هاي.
قال هذا والنجتة يعني أنا أديك بدلن إسماعيل يجبلن كبح
ولا الكيب كايري لكن قال كان قتل ورمية وروالة درية ولا ضل كايبه هذا وش شيء هذه ما صار بتاعنا قبيلك وديرنا قبيلك كنت أوي وديري هذه مشاركة كلها في السنة مشاركة ما كنت رمية حوالي يرد كقاتني كان هذا أنسك صارنا وصارينا
قال مش حينا
ورا هذه مشاركة في السنة أنسك صارنا كان قال هذا أدوها كسر مري
فيره
أو قال كهنا قطو
فيره
أنا ولا لونه أنت ما يجمع قصده أصلا رنت أروش يجمع مع ردك
نكان أنا يا ويرنا مركز
ورا هذه في واحد مكارم بعد يجي زبين توا فلسفتك ولا هالك واقول شعله ولا اللي معاني خلاص قاعد ما يسقف سنة ولا اللي كي قاعد ما يسقف سنة سومالي وين بدو واهي شيء ولا لوي واسعليه قرباي يسقف سطي دقالك واحد ماضي عدو نهبه عدو نهبه عدو وعميسم أو مانتي سوق شيء مسجد كارميل ما أقانو وح يمادين مساجد أو لم بيكون رجيان يدلك أمريكان كا وحين شغال غالنا يعني شرع كل شرع هيان مساجد يدلك أمريكان كا وحنا ودينا إمام يدا ولا عليه الناس الصوماليين إن أي كدر تونادان أرنكاس أو أي كدر تونادان عميسم سأل أركسين بانيكا وسركال سريع وارمها دي بدأ السياسة ده وقابل سر عميسم يصومالي ده إنه كده دليو isfahan oo soo umur mahayay u jeedeen in Ethiopia lagu wareejiyo dalka Soomaaliya halkaasna lagu dhameeyo cadawtinimadii u dhaxaysay Ethiopia iyo Soomaaliya isagoo naga dhacsiiyay in ciidamada ugu badan ee Soomaalida kuwa qaranka lagu tilmaamo ay tababarto inta ugu badan 80% ilaa 70 ciidamada Ethiopia hadaba nin Ethiopia ay dress iyo number iyo hubsisay ma waxaad ka sugaysaan inuu dalka xoreeyo Soomaaliya gumaysi ayay ku jirtaa gacanta ayaana lagu dhigay gumaysi ayayna u hoos jirtaa waxaan markaa xasuusinayaa walaalaha imaamyada masaajidiyada iyo dadka Soomaaliyeed ee siyaasiyiinta ee la kulmaya AMISOM dibadda iyo dalkaba runta u sheega Ethiopia iyo AMISOM Kenya iyo Ethiopia ma aqbalayno iyo AMISOMna guryahooda ku noqdeen Soomaalina gacmaha hays qabsato heshiiso beedka Ilaahi iyo Quraanka iyo sunnada ya la ilaaha illa Allah Muhammadur Rasuulullah ay xalwa innamal mu'minuna ikhwa fa aslihu bayna akhawaykum imaamyada North America oo ay kamid yihiin kuwa umma iyo kuwa kale waxaan leeyahay u istaaga dib u heshiisiinta dalka Soomaaliyeed iyo dadka Soomaaliyeed cadawgana dalka ka saara waana mahadsantihiin ilaahina idin gargaaro imaamyada Soomaaliyeed dal iyo dibadba culimada Soomaaliyeed dal iyo dibadba